Literacy Month. It's September, and that means we are trying to raise awareness about the importance of having kids eat their fruits and vegetables. This is really critical because we know that in California we have something close to a 40% childhood obesity rate. 1 in 3 kids has type 2 diabetes, and these are all preventable if we eat our vegetables. And during the time of COVID, it's even more critical because the chronic diseases caused by diet are also those things that will make COVID infection more severe. So it's crucial that we protect our kids' health and our own health during this difficult time. We also know that food and nutrition insecurity is on the rise in our community. Families are losing work and they're moving in with family members to try to make ends meet. And so it's really critical that we support them during this hard time. That is why we are here at one of our elementary schools. We will be doing 4 distributions, 2 this week and 2 next week during Food Literacy Month of what we're calling our Veggie of the Year kit. So this is a really fun way to help support your community, help the kids that have been participating in food literacy classes and love eating their vegetables, and help their families during a hard time. So what we're doing is we are coming out to schools. It will be a different one every distribution. And when the kids and the families come to pick up their school lunch, they can continue on to Food Literacy Center station here. And we have these amazing veggie recipe kits. And we are sending the kids home with Veggie of the Year rice salad kits. I'm going to show you what they're getting. So we have 5 veggie contenders for Vegetable of the Year right now. Those were voted on by the public. They narrowed it down from 10 vegetables to 5. So these 5 vegetables, in pre-COVID times, we would have had the kids taste them in our food literacy program. But today, we're sending them in kits home to their houses. They will taste them on their own with their families, and then they'll submit their votes. So we are reminding everybody to turn in their veggie votes, and they'll submit those votes, and we will have them choose what we call Veggie of the Year. So we have one contender is broccoli. Then we also have mushroom. We also have avocado. We have collard greens. And we have bok choy. So all of these veggies are in the running for Veggie of the Year. The kids will come, they'll pick up these bags, they'll take them home, and inside they will find instructions about how to vote, and they will find a coloring sheet where they can color. We've also got some crayons in this kit because we want to make sure they have everything. And then they have our delicious recipe for Veggie of the Year rice salad. And thank you to California Rice Commission. They have donated 2-pound bags of rice for every kid so they can make a ton of veggie rice salad. We're so super celery excited about that. And they will take that kit home, they'll cook, they'll vote, and then online, every vegetable is on a team with a chef who has been assigned that vegetable. So earlier, yesterday, you saw on our Facebook page Chef Raveen Patel, who is Team Bok Choy, and he made his recipe. We've also had Rick Mahan, who's on Team Broccoli, and we had Nina Curtis, who is a chef with Adventist Health and on Team Collard Greens. And so keep tuning in. We have 2 more chefs coming up. We've got Billy No from Crew and Brian Kuznicki from Golden One. So we have got a chef showdown, all representing these vegetables, no matter what our kids win. And you, the public, can also help by voting with your dollars. So when you vote with your dollars, you are actually supporting the distribution of these kits to our families. They cost about $25 each. And if you donate a monthly donation of $25 a month, we are going to keep making these distributions. The recipe will change. It won't be Veggie of the Year rice salad next month, but we will continue to do these monthly distributions or these weekly distributions. So sign up for $25 a month and help support our kids in this difficult time. And during Food Literacy Month, your donation donations will actually be matched. So every team that is associated with a chef and a veggie, so for example, Team Bok Choy, Team Broccoli, they all have sponsors who are going to support and match you dollar for dollar when you donate to these kids. So super celery shout out to our sponsors. Our presenting sponsor is Dignity Health. We also have our long-term sponsor, Clover Sonoma. We have California Rice Commission, Honey, UC Davis Health, Wilkie Fleury, Byler Sellers, who have been with us also for years, Jiffy Lube, Fleischman Hillard, Smud, another sponsor of many years, and Radio.com, also a sponsor of many years. All of these guys have been with us actually for many years, and I think that speaks to the longevity of this program and how important these kids and their health are in our community. So please, make our kids a priority, make their families a priority, make eating healthy a priority, make joy a priority. It helps build resilience right now. And please, go to foodliteracycenter.org, make a donation, and vote for a Veggie of the Year.